How to get the Google search bar back on your Android home screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can get this Google search bar back on your Android's home screen. So if somehow you have deleted this or you're not sure how your search bar was removed from your home screen, I'm going to show you guys how you can get it back. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you need to do here is simply go ahead and long press on your screen like this, or you can just pinch out of your screen like this with two fingers to bring out this menu. And once you do that, you will have multiple options down below, like your wallpaper and style, your themes, and then widgets. So that right there was a widget from Google. So what you're going to do is go ahead and tap on widgets like this. Now you will be able to see all of these available options. So what you want to do is head over to Google or find Google right here, tap on the drop down, and here you can add different things like song search, routines, the search bar, and your watch list, and many more. So all you have to do now is go ahead and tap on this and add it to your home screen. Or what you can also do is keep pressing it like this, long press, and you'll be able to place it anywhere you want on your screen. Now you have an option to adjust it. So I'm just going to go ahead and long press on it, put it right here on top, and adjust it so that it fits on my screen. So now you have gotten your Google search bar back. Now you can just tap on it to search for your to get a quick access to your Google search. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now I'll see you guys on the next one.